Okay, now it is time for our super special guests.
Yes, since we're in the middle of Seachtain and Gaeilge, there's only one bunch of super cool, super talented Gaeilge musical superstars that could fit the bill of today's celebrity interview.
And they're here in studio to tell us a little bit more about their hectic, wholeheartedly awesome lives.
So please put absolutely everything you have into giving a huge big welcome to Seo Linn! You are very welcome. Keith Stefan, you're very welcome to the show. How are we getting on?
Great, mate. Great.
Cool.
Brilliant stuff. So guys, the festival grows bigger and bigger every year. So what are some of the highlights that we can expect from Seachtain and Gaeilge 2016?
Well, Cullen and the Gaeilge have loads of stuff going on. On the 14th, there's the RTÉ, the national the marathon, I suppose, is finishing up in Trinity College. So we're going to be playing a bit of a gig there, and it's going to be a great old buzz around the place. And that's going to be, I suppose, one of the bigger concerts. Then on the 15th, there's Seo Linn, which is basically in every school around the country. People are going to, all the schools are going to be going nuts. They're going to be doing Gaeilges, singing, and it's all going to be based around 1916 and kind of the centenary. So that's going to be a great day.
Yeah, it's kind of like with Seo Linn, we kind of did a version of Oroshi the Vahawala, which I think used to be known as Doward Faina, and I suppose we kind of took the whole idea of Porrick Pierce's kind of one and just try to spice up and make it a bit more kind of dancing, more kind of upbeat and a bit more kind of fun.
Cool.
So yeah, we've that out as well, which is going to be great crack.
So that Seo Linn sounds amazing. Can you tell us a little bit more about how it's going to work?
Yeah, well, I suppose every school has been working really hard on lots of different things, you know, like rewriting the proclamation, that kind of stuff. And this is just kind of the culmination of everything coming together, kind of just remembering back 1916, talking about it again, and it's all kind of done in a really kind of fun way and a kind of enjoyable way. So we think that's really, really important.
Yeah, it sounds amazing.
Amazing stuff. And you guys, you mentioned there that you've re-recorded Oroshi the Vahawala, one of my favourite Irish Ronnies. And I think that I'd be pretty confident in saying that a couple of people here must know Oroshi the Vahawala. Am I right, lads? Anybody? Yeah? Yeah, will we give it a go? We maybe want to sing it with the lads? Yeah! Love it, Holly. Okay, let's go. Let's...
Ein, do, three!
Oroshi the Vahawala, Oroshi the Vahawala, Oroshi the Vahawala, Anisher Hachtan Tauri.
Woo! We probably should have just left that to you guys.
Yeah. Just trying to tune into the harmony. Don't bother.
Oh, this is more complicated than the Gael talked.
We've never sung that before, I swear.
Yeah. And of course, this has been a huge part of the Seo Linn movement from the start. Is you know, using music to try and change how people view the Irish language and how to learn it. Isn't that right?
I suppose, yeah, it's just, the main thing is just to make sure that people can see that it is a normal, everyday language as well as a school subject. And that's, we're just trying to put out kind of songs and show that there is things out there that you can enjoy and have fun with Gaeilge. That's the real kind of crux of it, I suppose.
And guys, were you always Gaeilgeoers from a young age, or is this, no?
We all went to the Gaeltacht pretty much without any Irish, and like we went there first time and loved it and stuff. Music was kind of a great way in for us because it's just such great crack and such fun and stuff, and you love the songs already, like, so especially when you're translating them to Irish. And we actually just did that for the RTÉ, you know, the thing at the end where they get everyone together and every house sings a song. So that's how the whole thing started. Yeah,
so like that's where we got our love from the fact that we saw that it was an everyday language and that it was something that you could engage with, like even looking at little kids running on the place like, like, what did he even say? And like the 5-year-olds,
the locals who
better Irish than have
English.
Yeah. And all that kind of just, I suppose, just showed you that it's something that is real. It's a real language. It's live, as well, you know, which is great for us. And we got into it then and picked up a few words, I suppose, since.
Yeah. And now, guys, we actually have some questions from our audience.
We do indeed.
Yeah.
So the first one is from Kiva. So Kiva, or Kiva?
Céir an Tárad is fearlah.
All right. So what is your favourite song, guys?
It's a tough one. Tá go leor áram Matlin. Ismálin and Canshin, realistically Stitches by Shawn Mendes.
Stitches. You know, Stitches.
Yeah,
Don't
Ismálin and
yeah.
Canshin. Shin Can Ma and Nish. That's a good one right now, I think. So, would you get actually tell him it's lagging? Would you get a concussion?
Yeah. Absolutely, yeah.
Been to egg banner is maybe crash on a lemon and Nish got dasting to lem hisha. Tamachri false brishta. Tits a mermuluna, a gimpy Dora imahula, and Nishka dasting to lam hisha, Tá mo chrí fósbrista,
Bring it back!
You're shinky, man. You weren't expecting that. That's pretty cool. Okay, Holly, here we go.
If you could sing with anyone in the world, who would it be?
Oh, can they be alive or dead?
Both.
Both.
Okay, if it was both, the first person, okay, Bob Marley would be the first person for me.
Oh, yeah, nice.
And then if alive, I suppose,
Can I just jump in there and say a tune?
Ed Sheeran, I suppose.
It would be a good match.
After me singing
Yeah.
a few words of the old Gaeilge there the last
Exactly,
day.
yeah. Ed Sheeran has great Irish as well, via Owen McDermott. So.
Thank you very much for the questions from the audience. And now, you've had a massive year for Seo Linn. You've been working a lot on new music, which I can't wait to hear. How are we getting on with that?
Great, Jeff. Flying now. We've got our EP is coming out this summer, so we've got a kind of a summer EP, and it's going to be about 5 tracks in that, and we're really happy with how that's going. We've got a single coming out as well. Our first bilingual single we've ever done. It's coming out as well towards the end of March, and
28th of March, that's going to be special, yeah. We're working towards an album as well, and we're just trying to pick the best songs for our EP first, and then hopefully when we get over that, we're gonna push on for the album then after that. So,
Yeah, you have to take your time with these things.
Yeah.
These things take time.
write loads of songs and pick the
Yeah,
best.
and then pick the best ones. Do you have any ideas for new music videos? Are you getting kind of ideas? I know
Yeah,
you're-
we're listening to ideas. Go on,
I
you
got
shut
a
up.
few cool ideas. The guy who does the videos for RTÉ Learn, Eamon McManus, or Muzzy as we call him, has kind of come back to us with a few cool ideas for a couple of videos.
We won't say too much.
Yeah, don't say too
but,
much.
And guys, let's talk a little bit about the schools that you met along the way. Have you enjoyed meeting kids as part of the process, or?
Absolutely,
How's
it's
it all been?
great fun. We were
hilarious.
in school there recently, and some of the stories that come back will be absolutely brilliant. There's such energy when you go into the schools, and kids love kind of just performing, and we do an awful lot of recording and stuff like that, so even just to hear themselves back, they love it.
And in fairness as well, it is actually
it's
genuinely,
really good.
it's amazing to see how quickly they pick up the songs, even though Gaeilge that's Gaeilge, you know,
Yeah.
especially for schools that wouldn't be Gael schools or Scoil na Gaeltachta.
And what about this year coming? Are you planning on doing any more travelling?
Yeah, Lillian Power around the summertime we're hoping to go to, well, we are going to America for 3 to 4 weeks to work on new material as well, and we're doing a few gigs in New York and Boston as well. Kind of, some of them are based around the whole 1916 thing again, and just a big celebration of Irish culture and stuff, and I suppose that helps out. We want to get our message across through about Irish language and how it is modern now, and how it's always been modern now,
Yeah.
we're just trying to show that it is modern, and just how it can just be a bit of fun as well, and I think we'd love to spread that to as much people as possible.
Brilliant. I mean, you're doing such stellar work, and thanks so much for coming in. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Thanks for
Give it
having
up for Seo Linn, guys.